Want to know how to convert your code into a dry run table? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can modify and convert it into a dry run table in just under a minute. So it's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first is simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this code right here. Just simply select the entire code. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing two options. Since we are modifying the code, just simply select recreate right here. And now once you select recreate, here you can see it's a recreate code. Now what you need to do is just simply type in this prompt. Now just simply select enter after you have typed in your prompt, and as you can see right here, your code should start changing. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select keep in order to keep your changes, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.